Hey guys, Credit OG here. You know, they say unlimited power is apt to corrupt the minds of those who possess it. William Pitt the Elder, British Prime Minister in the 1700s, said that. And he said that before the American Revolution, warning his own empire that unchecked power breeds tyranny. And that's exactly why America said no kings. But today, we're watching a new kind of monarchy take shape. Not political, but financial. This isn't political. This is about power and what happens when one company tries to take it much too far. FICO is cutting the credit bureaus, the knights of balance, out of the mortgage scoring process. They're now going to go direct to lenders, controlling both the price and the score. Now, that's not progress. That's unchecked despotic power. And when a corporation grabs that kind of control, it always is the consumer who pays the price. Lenders used to pay under $5 per score under FICO's model. Now under the new one, it could cost as much as $33 per closing. And those costs roll straight downhill to you. It won't make your rate better. It won't make your approvals easier. It's just another fee dressed up as innovation. Inflation with a crown on top. But the real problem is access. By cutting out the bureaus, FICO sidelines VantageScore, which has proven to score up to 98% of consumers. It's about 17 to 18% more than FICO. So that means millions of Americans, especially those new to credit, recently divorced, or new to the country, would be locked out of the system entirely. Now, that kind of exclusion just isn't fair. It's the financial version of unchecked despotic power, punishing the people who can least afford it. Now, the irony is that the bureaus that FICO wants to cut out are the ones that keep things honest. The bureaus serve as the high council of the people, if you will. We ensure the data is accurate and that the rules are followed. Without oversight, there's no accountability, and so when no one's watching the king, history tells us what happens next. FICO wields almost absolute power. Absolute power corrupts absolutely. So, like the rallies say, no kings, no unchecked power, not in government, not in business, and not in credit. In 2026, let's stand for something else. No kings, no credit dings. And regardless of what side of the fence you're on in this recent No Kings rally, this is a No Kings rally that every American can get behind because it affects all of us and it tears at the very fabric of who we are, what we believe in, equality, democracy, access to opportunity. Make your voice heard. If you're getting a home loan, make it clear to your agent or broker that you want to be scored using the egalitarian VantageScore. Choice is patriotic. Credit OG, out.